Wow, hello friends,
Wow!
welcome back. Look at that, friends, lot of car. Wow, all car is different. So, let's see one by one. Okay, this is big drum truck. Oh, big drum truck. Okay, throw out in basket. Let's see next one is next one is small dump truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
Okay. Then police ambulance. Okay, next one is school bus. Okay, next one is wow, train engine. Wow, next one is fire service car. Wow, next one is small container. Wow, next one is luxury bar. Oh, this one is airbus. Wow, this is motorbike. Wow, this is police bus. Wow, this is helicopter. Wow, this is school bus. Look at that, friends. This is double-decker school bus. Okay, then next the truck. Look at that, friends. Let's mix a truck. Wow, this is tanker. Wow, this is fire engine. Recycle car. Wow, this is police car. This is truck engine.
Transformation! Yeah!
Oh, this is fire service car. Wow, this is well car. Look at the front side and look at the back side. Wow. Okay, go out in basket. Let's see next one is. Wow, this is water car. Look at that. Friends, this is backside and this one is front side. Wow, it's a red color. And then next one is bullet train. Wow, bullet train. Look, friends. Oh, okay. And then I'll see next one is city bus. Red color city bus. Wow. Front side is good. Looking awesome. Okay. And then city bus. It's green color. Okay. Then let's see next one is wow, monster car. Look, friends. Monster car. And then next one is wow, it's a loaded car. Okay, and then last one is wow, excavator. Wow. Oh, look at that, friends, excavator. And all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.